Aloe Vera soap and gel come loaded with several nutrients like glycerin, sodium palmate, sodium carbonate, sodium kemelate, sorbitol, etc. These are good for the skin and nourish your skin from within, giving you the skin that glows with health. 1. Prevents premature signs of aging. Wrinkles and fine lines are bound to appear as you age. But other factors may expedite what is a natural process. Aloe Vera helps in preventing these early signs of aging. 2. Moisturizes skin. Aloe Vera gel has been touted by many as their go-to moisturizer. It has shown miraculous effects on oily and acne-prone skin. 3. Reduces acne and helps lighten blemishes. The aloe gel can work wonders on your skin by reducing acne and clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. 4. Helps with sunburns. Aloe Vera is widely used as an after-sun treatment because it is soothing and reduces inflammation. 5. Heals external wounds and insect bites. Aloe Vera is anti-inflammatory, which makes it effective against wounds and insect bites. 6. Reduces stretch marks. With the passing of age, our skin expands and contracts just like elastic. When the skin stretches very far, like during the pregnancy or due to rapid weight gain, the elasticity of the skin gets damaged, which results in ugly stretch marks. These marks are nothing but small tears on the skin layers, which can be healed with a regular use of aloe vera soap. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods, and food and beauty tips,